Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning and decluttering my entire apartment. I feel like my apartment is just so messy, so cluttered. Every time I open a drawer, it's just like complete chaos. I'm really just in the mood to declutter, get rid of some things that I'm not using. I really just want to deep clean as well, like wipe all the surfaces down, just give my apartment a really good clean. We're halfway through the year. I kind of just want to do like a mid-year reset, just kind of physically reset my apartment. Nothing makes me feel more refreshed than a clean space. I just kind of want to take some time to refresh and reset my apartment. I'm going to go room by room, drawer by drawer. I'm feeling pretty ambitious. We'll see if I actually am able to go through every single thing. I have a list of everything that I want to go through, everything that I want to clean. We'll see if I actually end up getting to every single thing on that list. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're needing to do this as well, hopefully this is motivating. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and if you'd like to see more cleaning and decluttering type videos on my channel. Comment below your best cleaning tip or an area of your space that you need to declutter. Let's just get started. I actually want to go to Target and pick up some cleaning supplies. I really want to organize and declutter a lot of areas throughout my apartment. Kind of want to get some little drawer organizers and like little organizing bins. There's just a couple other things that I want to pick up as well. I think I'm gonna go to Target before even getting started. Before doing that, I just want to throw my sheets in the wash so that way when I get back they're just already washed and they can be washing and drying. That's actually the first thing we're gonna do. Got to Target. On my list I want to get some little drawer organizers and then some little acrylic kind of under the sink organizers. I want to get like a scrub daddy sponge, mostly like organizational type stuff. Let's go to Target. I'm gonna try to be super quick and not get anything extra. Here is everything that I got from Target. I got a bunch of these little white drawer organizers. I have several of these. Every time I'm organizing my drawers, I always find myself wanting some of these, so I just got a couple of each size. And then it's got this little scrub mommy sponge. I always see people using these. I don't have one of these, so I thought this would be helpful while cleaning. I just got these big clear organizers for under my sink. Before actually getting started with the cleaning, I'm gonna make a latte with my new Breville espresso machine. I just got this the other day, so I'm still kind of experimenting with the settings. I've been having a lot of fun making lattes with it. I usually go and get a coffee like every day, so I feel like it's already saving me money. This color tastes amazing. You can always tell if a coffee is good by the color. Now we need to get started with the cleaning. I think I'm gonna start with my kitchen. My kitchen is probably the messiest part of my apartment. Get the worst part done first. I'm actually embarrassed to show you guys my apartment. We're gonna start here, just kind of work my way throughout my apartment. I'm gonna deep clean and declutter each space as I go. now that the kitchen is basically clean, I'm just gonna do a little bit of organizing. I'm gonna start with under my kitchen sink. I haven't really ever organized it. I just kind of have random cleaning supplies and stuff under there. I'm gonna actually organize it. Look at how much more space I have just from organizing, and it's like so much easier to see what is there. It's a little bit later. My kitchen and living room are all clean. It feels so good to have a clean space. Now I'm gonna move on to my bathroom and bedroom. I'm actually gonna be focusing more on decluttering than cleaning. My drawers are so messy. I have a lot of like skincare and makeup products that I'm not using. I'm just gonna be going through all of that. But first, I actually just got a really exciting package delivered from Helix. It's a new mattress. I've heard really good things about the Helix mattresses. They're sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited. Their mattresses look so comfy, and you actually take a sleep quiz. It matches you to your perfect mattress based on your sleep preferences. I'm just so excited to unbox it and see how it feels. If you're not familiar with Helix Sleep, they have premium mattresses customized to fit your needs, and they are conveniently shipped to your door with free shipping here in the US. As you can see, the mattress comes rolled up in a box and is super easy to set up yourself. My favorite part about Helix is that you take a sleep quiz, so it matches you to the perfect mattress based on your sleep positions and firmness preferences. If you sleep with a partner, you can take the quiz together to find a mattress that's perfect for both of you. Helix offers over 20 unique mattresses, including their award-winning Luxe and ultra premium Elite collections. They also have the Helix Plus. It's a mattress designed for big and tall sleepers. They also have a Helix Kids mattress. It's designed for growing bodies. It's endorsed by child sleep and medical experts. As you can see on the quiz here, I'm a side sleeper. I prefer a medium softness, and I sleep alone. Based on those results, Helix matched me with the Midnight Luxe mattress. I absolutely love it. I slept so great on it. It's so comfortable. I'm literally obsessed. It's like the perfect softness. Like, it's exactly what I was wanting. I woke up feeling so refreshed, and I literally didn't even want to get out of bed this morning. Like I said, Helix delivers the mattress right to your door with free shipping in the US. It's super convenient and very easy to set up. There's also a 100-night sleep trial, so you can kind of test the mattress and make sure you love it. Helix mattresses also include a 10-year warranty. They also offer financing options and flexible payment plans. I literally love my Helix mattress, and I think you guys would really love it as well. I actually do have a discount. You can click the link below or go to helixsleep.com/EmilyGrace to get 20% off your Helix mattress plus 2 free pillows. I definitely recommend checking it out if you guys are in the market for a mattress. Now it is time to clean the bathroom. I'm just gonna kind of organize the drawers. My makeup drawer is atrocious. It barely even opens. It's so full. The setup I have currently with like my skincare and hair care, it's just like not working. It's not easy to find the products I use every day. I need to like organize it better. First, I need to clean. My bathroom is so gross. I need to like wipe off the counters, clean the sink, clean the toilet, clean the mirror. My apartment is getting cleaner one step at a time. We're almost there. Let's just get started with the bathroom. went through my sunglasses. I really just did not want to keep ones that I'm not wearing anymore. I'm getting rid of all of these. I feel like a lot of these are just not my style anymore. These are all the ones that I'm keeping. I feel like I just don't wear these colorful ones as much anymore, or these big aviators. I have like 2 or 3 sunglasses that I feel like I just wear on repeat, and then these ones I'll mix in. I just don't want to keep storing them. I'd rather somebody else be enjoying them. So these are the ones I'm getting rid of. I feel like I did a good job like decluttering the sunglasses. I'm pretty proud of myself. My room is feeling a lot cleaner. I've literally gotten rid of trash bags and trash bags of stuff. Last thing I want to do is my car. I just kind of want to clean up my car. My car is very disorganized. I'm going to be driving to visit my sister in Arkansas, so I'd love to do that in a clean car. I really just can't wait to sit down and relax in my clean apartment. that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little mid-year reset. I really needed it. Comment below some things you want to do to just kind of like reset halfway through the year. Of all the cleaning and decluttering videos I've done, this is probably the biggest and most intense one that I've done. I feel a lot lighter now. I feel like when I go to open a drawer, it just feels organized. It's stuff that I actually use. I definitely recommend doing this if you're just feeling overwhelmed with clutter. Hopefully this gave you some inspo motivation. Definitely make sure to check out Helix. Thank you so much to Helix for sponsoring this video. I'll have Helix link below at the very top of my description so you guys can check out their mattresses. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at onlygrace.26, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.